How to delete WhatsApp contact. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application, and it will lead you directly to your chat section, right? Now here in your chat section is on the upper right, you will see create a message icon there. Tap on that and you will see your contacts. The next thing that you want to do is to choose the contact that you want to delete. So let's say this contact, I want to delete this contact. The next thing that you want to do is, if you tap on that contact, on the upper part you will see that person's name. Just tap on that and it will lead you to your contact information. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to scroll down up until you see contact details. Tap on contact details there, and then on the upper left you'll see edit. Tap on edit and then tap on delete contact. And basically you have successfully deleted that contact. And that is how you delete WhatsApp contact. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.